NASDAQ, finally you gave me some type of good setup. I still don't like you. I just seen a good setup from you. But gold might be taking your place anyway. But I appreciate it. Thank you. For anybody that don't know, boy, I have been struggling with NASDAQ, man. It's like struggling, pulling teeth, pulling fingers and everything, trying to just find a good setup from NAS, man. Finally, we got a good trade, man. I do not trade Fridays anymore, man. But I always keep an eye on the market just to see what the market is going to do, man. And I happened to find something that was very good. I didn't expect that, but it ended up pulling through, man. So if you guys that don't know, man, I officially have passed a Top Step account, man. I have a funded account now. I haven't paid the $150 yet, man, but I have a funded account. I did not trade that account today. I ain't even set it up yet, man, because I plan on just setting that account up for next week, man. But we do have a funded account already. Just have to pay the fee. I decided yesterday to buy another My Funded Futures account, man. Seems like me and My Funded Futures accounts do not do so well, man. But I'm like, I'm gonna give it another shot, man. If this don't work out, I don't know what to tell you, My Funded Futures, man. Me and you just ain't getting along. I'd rather stay with Apex or Top Step or something, man. But they have too good of a deal going for me not to take a chance, man. But I started an account yesterday. And today, I don't trade Fridays, but it was like, I'd be crazy not to take this trade, man, because I've seen this setup before, and I'm like, man, I really feel like this is going to hit, man, so let's get into it. All right, guys, so what we're looking at is the micro E-mini NASDAQ 100, man. So on October 1st, there was a supply zone that was created, man. As you can see that down there, you can see that it was October 1st, man, that was created. There was a supply zone that was created on October 1st. So I drew that out just in case the market decided to go back up there, man. I thought it was going to hit either Wednesday or Thursday, but as you can see, this was Tuesday, this was Wednesday, this was Thursday, and then Friday it finally hit, man. I expected either Wednesday or Thursday to hit, but it just kept respecting that 200 purple EMA, man. So when I woke up this morning, I had briefly looked at the chart around about 7 o'clock my time. So let's go to the 5-minute time frame. So on a 5-minute time frame, down here you'll see 6, but it's 7 o'clock my time. At 7 o'clock, I had seen that the market was just consolidating. I'm like, yeah, Friday is a trap day. I'm not finna do nothing, man. Like I said, I had bought a My Funded Futures yesterday, and I had planned on just trying to trade it the next following week with my Top Step funded account. You know what I'm saying? Once I've done trading my funded account or whatever, if I happen to see another setup, man, I'll just use my combine or whatever. You know what I'm saying? So I don't do nothing stupid and force myself into trades, man. I'm getting over that. I'm tired of doing that. But at 7 o'clock, I was like, yep, Fridays is doing what it do. But at about 7:30, I checked back at about 7:30, man. And at 7:30, I start to see this long candle. I'm like, dang, oh, there was news. So I was like, the market is starting to move up. So I checked back at 7:45. And at 7:45, guys, I'm like, oh, shoot, man, this market is pushing up to this zone that I had drew out. I said, it would be crazy if this market hit this, well, finally, let me go back. Let's go back to the 1 hour time frame. So I'm looking at all this. I'm like, oh, shoot, the market has finally passed the 200 EMA. So I was like, you know what? I bet it's going to keep going up to this daggone supply zone that I've drawn out, man. Now that the market has passed that 200 EMA, I said, if the market comes back up to this zone that I have drawn out, I might take the trade, even though I don't trade Fridays, man. But I'm like, it'll be too good. It'll be crazy not to take the trade, man. Sometimes it work out, sometimes it don't. I'm like, but this is my perfect A++1 setup, man. I'm like, I don't trade Fridays though, man. But I gotta take the chance, man, because it just looked too good to be true, man. So as you can see, I had got in aggressive. I got in on a 25-point stop loss, and I was aiming for a 3-to-1. So that means I was willing to risk $500 on this My Funded Futures eval. This is not a funded account. It was an eval. Only reason I took this trade is because it was an eval. Had it been a funded account, I wouldn't even be looking at the charts on no daggone Friday, man. But I was like, you know what? Hey, if I happen to see something, I'll take it. And I'm like, it would be crazy if this go my way, man. And this is like my A++ setup, man. NASDAQ finally came through, man. I risked $500 for a 25-point stop loss, aiming for a 3-to-1. You see what happened. It hit my take profit, man. At first, I'm not gonna lie, man. The market had got about, it started going down. It was going down slow. And then it came back up. And then it slowly coming back down, and as you can see, it started to reject that 9 EMA. I'm like, oh my gosh, watch this thing gonna reverse on me and just take off to the moon, man. I'm like, give me a 3-to-1, man. Come on, give me a 3-to-1 today, man. And as you can see, guys, it hit my 3-to-1, man. I was like, thank goodness, man. I'm like, Fridays always like reversal days, trickery days, trick or treat, give me something good to eat, and then just trick you and don't give you nothing, man. I'm like, man, and I haven't been trusting NASDAQ setups, man. I'm like, look, this is on a 1-hour time frame, NASDAQ. You got to give me something good, man. We've been losing a lot in NASDAQ. NASDAQ, pull through, man. Come on. And it finally pulled through, man, with this My Funded Futures eval account, man. We hit that 3-to-1, guys, man. As you can see, we made $1,500. We made $1,539.36, man. This is a new eval, man. I'm like, woohoo, yay. I'm not getting that excited. The real test is gonna come when I get a funded account. Seems like I can pass these My Funded Futures evals with ease, but I cannot get over the threshold of $300 in a funded account, man. I don't know what it is, man. I'm like, me and these accounts we don't get along. But yeah, man, we up in this My Funded Futures eval, man. We made $1,539.36 today in the eval, man. Good trade today. NASDAQ finally pulled through. Let's go to this email. So just to show you guys proof that I did get funded with Top Step. Congratulations on becoming a Top Step funded trader. As you guys can see, it was a combine, but we are funded, guys. So yeah, man, good trade today, and we looking good for next week, man. So yeah, guys, man, we looking real good, man, for next week. Next week, I plan on trading more gold, man. NASDAQ just finally came through with a good trade today, man. It just depends, man, because I'm still testing out gold. Gold did make me $1,500 in 2 days. $3,000 in 2 days, man. You know, I got to continue to watch it. I got to continue to learn gold. NASDAQ has always been it for me, man. That's what got me funded. That's what I feel most comfortable with. It's just NASDAQ has been tripping, man. It's been slapping people around, man. It's been stomping. It's been raining, sleeting, snowing. It's been doing everything crazy, man. And it's like, when it's doing that, I like to back off away from you because you ain't doing too well. So I'm going to go over here and try them. So I've been also looking at oil, guys, crude oil, CL. Well, I'll be trading MCL. I'm not making that same mistake no more, man. NASDAQ has always been number one. I'm getting into gold. I'm getting into crude oil, and then I've always been into US 30, but haven't traded it in a while, man. Just depending on how NAS do, man. NAS did give me a good setup on the day that I don't trade. I'm like, you would happen to make a good setup on the day I don't trade. What about Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays, man? What about them? Come on, NAS. But yeah, man, I think gold might turn into my number one. I'm not for sure yet. I'm gonna keep it open, man. But I'm gonna keep all 4 of those instruments in my back pocket. NASDAQ 100, gold, crude oil, and US 30, the Dow. I'm gonna keep all of them in my back pocket, man. We just gonna see what's gonna happen, guys. So we had a very good week this week. Just giving you guys an update what I plan on doing next week, man. We just gonna refresh ourselves. We're not gonna look at no more charts. I don't want to think about another chart, man, after this week, man. This week has been good and crazy at the same time, man. Just gonna kind of reset my mental, refresh myself. Come Monday, we're just gonna look for A++ setups, man. We're not gonna do nothing else, man. I'm not gonna trade off no EMAs. I'm not gonna force any trades. I'm not gonna do anything stupid. We are aiming for a payout, but don't want to think about no payout. We just gonna make good trades, man. So I just gotta refresh myself, man, and stay locked in, man. Don't think about the money. Just make good trades. Make sure we find the supply and demand strategy that we are very comfortable with, and that's the only thing I really know, to be honest. We got to continue to have discipline. We got to continue to have proper risk management, not over leveraging, doing something stupid, aiming and shooting for the stars and trying to hit home runs. Hey, how about we just get first base? How about we just get second base? Hey, let's steal third and then bring it on home, man. Let's piece this joker, man. Let's not give the markets back our profits, man. Let's let the market know we in this for the long run. We not trying to hit home runs. We trying to make money. And number 4, to not get greedy. Guys, I struggle with getting greedy, man. After I keep seeing these numbers, I'm just tired of losing. I'm tired of making stupid mistakes, man. I'm just tired. Tired, spells tired. I'm tired, man. Tired of losing. We gotta fix this, man. We just gotta start, you know what I'm saying, paying attention and doing the right thing, guys. And number 5, bring them all in and maintain all 5 of those tips, man. Those are my 5 tips that I gotta start living by myself instead of trying to tell everybody else. I gotta start doing it myself. Corey, are you listening? Corey, I hope you're listening. Corey. So I gotta start listening to my own tips, man. Stop making stupid decisions. But yeah, man, that's what I got coming up, guys. That's gonna do it for this video, man. We did good today, and we looking forward to next week, man. Make sure you guys like the video. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell for more videos and bangers that's getting ready to come out, guys. Peace. I holla. Deuces. Guess what? I said it already. Let's do it again. I holla.